Hi friends, welcome to Bunny's Kitchen. Today we are going to do Mutton Kola Urundai, which is basically just meatballs made with mutton. Now let's look at the ingredients. First we have 500 grams of mutton, which we have cooked in pressure cooker with turmeric, ginger garlic paste, and after cooking it we have blended it. Okay, now let's look at the next ingredient. We have about half onion chopped, green chili chopped, fennel seeds is about half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, handful of curry leaves which has been chopped, and we have 4 tablespoons of besan flour or kadalai maavu. We have transferred our blended mutton to a bowl. Now we are going to add in all the ingredients. It's quite simple. You just need to add in the onions, then the chilies, the curry leaves, fennel seeds, as well as the chili powder, and also salt, and the besan flour. This besan flour is easily available in the supermarkets. You can get it. Then we mix it well. Okay. Now we are going to form the mixture into balls. We are now going to deep fry the balls. We have already heated up the oil. Okay. Right now, after heating up the oil, we have lower it down to medium heat. So right now we're going to put in the balls. Slowly, one by one. If you feel the balls, breaking up, you can add in more besan flour. Okay. Do not use the spoon to stir the balls right now because it will break up. Wait for a while, let the balls cook. Then we slowly and delicately need to turn it around. Okay. Later on, we will show you how the final dish will look. Happy cooking and have fun. Stay safe, guys. It's COVID-19, and subscribe to Bunny's Kitchen.